How to delete a Facebook Business Manager account. This tutorial shows you how to permanently remove it from your PC. First, open your browser and go to business.facebook.com/settings to open your business settings page. From there, make sure you have the correct business manager selected on the left side panel. You don't want to accidentally delete the wrong one. After that, before you do anything else, you need to disconnect all connected assets first. Facebook will not let you delete the business manager if anything is still attached to it. At this point, go through your connected assets, such as Facebook pages and Instagram accounts, select each one and click Remove to detach them from the business manager. Once all assets have been removed, scroll down on the business info page until you see the Permanently Delete Business option in the top right corner. From there, click on it and follow the steps to confirm the deletion. Following this, if you weren't the one who created the business manager and were only added as an admin, you won't see the delete option. In that case, look for the Leave Business Manager option instead. This will detach you from it completely, which works just the same for your purposes. Finally, keep in mind that the deletion process can take up to 24 hours, so don't be alarmed if you still see the business manager showing up on the left after confirming. Just give it some time. That's how you delete a Facebook Business Manager account. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.